Today, we're diving into the spotlight to uncover the secrets of omega-3 rich salmon. Get ready to discover why this superstar seafood is more than just a culinary delight. It is an omega-3 powerhouse. We'll also explore the healthiest way to cook it. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey to better understand the benefits of salmon and how to prepare it at its best, grab your forks and get ready to dive in. We all know that protein is crucial for a healthier life, but did you know that not all proteins are created equal? Enter salmon, the seafood king of protein, ready to take center stage in our spotlight. Why, you ask? Well, salmon boasts an impressive protein content and is packed with essential nutrients. With 100 grams of cooked salmon providing around 20 grams of high-quality protein, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to boost their protein intake. And that's not all. This protein powerhouse comes loaded with a range of essential nutrients including vitamin D, B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining healthy bones, supporting brain function, and boosting the immune system. Plus, salmon is a great source of low-fat protein, making it ideal for those watching their fat intake. But wait, there's more. Salmon also takes the crown when it comes to sustainability. Farmed salmon may have some concerns regarding its environmental impact. However, wild-caught salmon is an excellent example of a sustainable protein source. As a cold-water fish, it has a lower carbon footprint compared to other protein sources. By choosing salmon, you're not only nourishing your body but also helping preserve the environment. So next time you're in the market for protein-packed meal options, look no further than salmon, the seafood king of protein. From its impressive protein content to its rich nutrient profile and sustainable sourcing, salmon is the clear winner. Next, let's talk about the true star of the show, omega-3 fatty acids. When it comes to omega-3s, salmon truly steals the spotlight. With 100 grams of cooked salmon providing a whopping 1.6 grams of these essential fats, it's one of the richest sources out there. That means a typical serving size of salmon can provide you with a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of omega-3s. But what makes omega-3s so special? Well, these fatty acids are essential for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. They play a vital role in maintaining healthy joints, promoting optimal brain function, and reducing the risk of heart disease. It's no wonder salmon is often hailed as a superfood. Its high omega-3 content makes it a nutritional powerhouse. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to add variety to your diet, salmon is a delicious and nutritious choice. So go ahead and indulge in this omega-3-rich seafood and reap the incredible benefits it has to offer. Now that we've established salmon's status as a true omega-3 powerhouse, let's dive into the healthiest way to bake, grill, or pan-fry this magnificent fish. The key to unlocking the maximum health benefits of salmon lies in the cooking method. And here's where the spotlight shines on baking, grilling, and pan-frying. Let's start with baking. This method allows the natural flavors of the salmon to shine through while keeping it moist and succulent. To bake salmon, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and place the salmon fillet in a baking dish. You can season it with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Then bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. The result, a delicious, nutritious meal that's perfect for any occasion. Grilling salmon is another fantastic option. Grilling imparts a smoky flavor to the fish while retaining its healthy fats and nutrients. To grill salmon, start by soaking the wood chips in water for 30 minutes. This will help produce a delicious smoky flavor. Then, place the soaked wood chips on the grill and close the lid. Once the grill is heated, place the salmon fillet on the grill and cook for 4 to 6 minutes per side. The smoky flavor infused in the salmon is sure to impress. And finally, pan-frying salmon is a quick and easy method that delivers restaurant-quality results. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Carefully place the salmon fillet in the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. The pan-fried salmon is a delicious, flaky masterpiece. So there you have it, 3 fantastic ways to cook salmon. Baking, grilling, and pan-frying each offer unique benefits and flavors. Choose the method that suits your taste buds and dietary preferences, and enjoy the incredible health benefits of this omega-3 rich fish. It's important to note that these cooking methods are not only healthy, but also environmentally friendly. Baking, grilling, and pan-frying require minimal oil or added fats, ensuring that you retain the natural goodness of the salmon. So, not only are you nourishing your body, but also making a conscious choice for the planet. To sum up, salmon stands as a true superstar in the world of seafood. Its impressive protein content, rich nutrient profile, and sustainability make it the seafood king of protein. And when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, salmon truly steals the spotlight. With its high omega-3 content, salmon is a nutritional powerhouse offering numerous health benefits. The healthiest ways to cook this magnificent fish are baking, grilling, and pan-frying, which allow the natural flavors and nutrients to shine through. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to add variety to your diet, incorporating salmon into your meals is a delicious and nutritious choice. So go ahead and indulge in this omega-3 rich seafood and experience the incredible benefits it has to offer. If you've enjoyed this spotlight on salmon, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative and delicious content. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know in the comments below what other foods you'd like us to feature in our next Spotlight episode. At Company Name, we're passionate about bringing you the finest quality seafood that's not only delicious but also sustainably sourced. We believe in providing our customers with healthy and eco-friendly options because we care about both your well-being and the planet's well-being. Our team of experts works tirelessly to source the freshest catches from around the globe, ensuring that every product meets our high standards of quality and sustainability. We're committed to delivering exceptional customer service and building lasting relationships with our clients based on trust and satisfaction. Whether you're a chef, a restaurant owner, or simply a seafood lover, we've got you covered. Explore our wide range of products and experience the company name difference today. Thanks for joining us on this Spotlight episode all about the omega-3 rich salmon. Remember to stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, happy, healthy eating.